Hi all, and welcome back to this channel. I'm Silvia and I'm a freelance artist and children's books illustrator based in Italy. In the description box below you can find all my contacts and where to find me on the internet. And if you like my contents and you're curious about future ones, consider subscribing to this channel. It's free as always. This will help me a lot supporting my work here and outside the platform. Here I like to share bits of my life as an illustrator, tutorials, work in progress, draw with me, and insights of the illustration world. This is the last video of 2023, unbelievable! And I would like to give you a little tutorial as a Christmas gift. I'd like to keep it short, let's see if I'll manage. You know, whenever you finish an illustration and want to share it on the internet, it's a good manner to add your own signature in it. Of course, if people want to steal it, they will do it anyway, but having a signature on your artwork makes your intellectual property clear and well present. At the very start, I always added my own signature by hand on every single illustration I made, but maybe you have a logo or a particular signature that is well recognizable and you want to be coherent in all your artworks. So in this case, this could be tricky. So when I discovered that on Procreate I can create my own signature brush, my brain has blown. I don't know if this thing required a dedicated tutorial, but someone can find it useful. For example, past Silvia would have appreciated a lot. So let's go through the steps of this very quick process. First of all, we need a new canvas, and I choose a square one because I like it, but you can choose the format you prefer. Let's turn it to black. You can also do it later, but I like to have everything in place from the start. Now you can write your signature or your logo with any brush you like. I use the Pencil Luna brush from Pastels and Pencil set by Marco Guadalupi, aka MG Brushes. It's one of my favorite brush, and if you're curious about the brush set I use in all my illustrations, I can suggest you to watch this video above. Now that the signature is ready, we just need to save the image as a PNG directly on our iPad. We now create a new brush, simply duplicating an existing one. Let's take a brush Procreate offers us in its library, like the Studio Pen. Now we can go to Shape and import the signature image we've saved before. We have it now as a source for the new brush. Here we go, let's rename it and prevent any future confusion. I choose my signature, so original. As you can see now, the signature is not recognizable, so we need to tune a bit some settings. Let's go to Stroke Path and pull Spacing to maximum. Last setting to change, Properties. Then Maximum Size and move it to maximum. You can also increase the minimum size in order not to have too much difference, but it is totally up to you. Now you have your signature ready to be used in all your works, without the need to write it every time. I find this hack very useful and time-saving. Great! That's it. As you could see, creating your own signature brush is quick and easy and can save you a lot of time in the future. I hope this little tutorial has been useful for you. As usual, if you have questions or doubts or curiosities, don't hesitate to write me in the comments below. I'll be very happy to answer you. And if you liked this video, leave a thumb up and consider subscribing to this channel. Again, it's free. This will help me a lot supporting my work and creating these kinds of videos here. Thank you as always for being here. Stay safe, have fun and drink water, and see you in 2024. Bye!